Hi, welcome to Willow, Brook, Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. Today we are going back in to inspect this hive to see whether or not they've laid, there's a queen laying eggs in this bottom brood chamber. If not, what we'll end up doing is taking the the bees and honey from this hive and the eggs and queen from this hive and separating them into multiple hives, doing a split, hoping that this really strong hive over here that's absolutely jamming with bees and honey can help provide the resources needed from this hive, which has very few bees but a queen laying eggs. And we can take one failing hive and one hive that seems to be succeeding but with no queen and turn it into multiple viable as they raise their own emergency queen. In 2 weeks, we'll know how many of those are successful, and those that are not successful can just be broken down and reintroduced into the other hives that are successful. Let's get to it, if the weather cooperates. Alright, not afraid of honeybees, don't mind them at all. What just happened is this hive has a yellow jacket nest in it, and the hive in back that I pulled the top off, there's a yellow jacket nest in it. They can sting you as many times as they want, not a fan. Yeah, that's going to complicate things. So you guys are gonna get a shortened version of what happened today, because at some point during the recording of this video, I got a phone call which stopped the recording. But basically, ended up going into the hive with the queen and found her, and took 2 frames of eggs and brood and moved them into the hive that had all the bees and honey but no queen, and into the funny looking hive right here that has a 10 frame on the bottom and an 8 frame on the top, with a board with a brick on it to close off the difference between the 10 frame and 8 frame. So instead of being able to get 4 splits, I was only able to get 2, sort of, basically 2 frames of eggs and brood to add to the 1 hive, and then I made 1 new hive. So really 1 split and 1 gets a chance to raise a queen. So hopefully, and I added a box of honey and bees on top of the hive with the queen. Hopefully everything sorts out, and in 2 weeks we should find out, 28 days, we should find out whether or not we have 3 successful hives or no hives. Willowbrook apiary and honeybees? I've been saying that lately. I'm sorry. It's Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.